Hi, this is Shelley Sparks. I'm here at a new project that has just is undergoing installation, as you can see by the piles of dirt in front. And I'm really happy. We designed this project many years ago, and that's usually the way it happens. We design a project and then we don't see it go into the ground for many years. But this project looks pretty great. I'm pretty excited about it, and because when I'm looking at it, I can see how it will develop over the years. And so in this case, we picked up things like the grays of the building in our acacia tree over here, and brightened the building up with some light greens of the agave and the cordyline, and then picked up on some bright colors to really give it a little bit of pizzazz with this with the Mexican poinsettia and the yellow daisy plants. We've got some other plants in here that aren't blooming right now, that will grow and expand and provide really rich color for the building. And we've got lots of different textures also in the grasses. So all in all, I'm very, very pleased with the way this building will develop. I'd love to come back and see it another time and get some more visuals on it, on what works and what doesn't. But in relationship to your own garden, if you think about the colors of your house and how the landscape will marry, and what the landscape can do to enhance or pick up the colors or brighten the colors and make them make your home stand out and bring you pleasure and enjoyment. This is Shelley Sparks. If you'd like more information about landscape design, check out my website, www.harmonygardens.net, or my book, Secrets of the Land, Designing Harmonious Gardens with Feng Shui, available on my website or on Amazon. Thanks for listening.